Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in regular expressions, check for mixed grouping of characters. Sometimes we want to check for groups of characters using a regular expression, and to achieve that we use parentheses. If you want to find either penguin or pumpkin in a string, you can use the following regular expression. Inside the forward slash h, we have the pattern which begins with P and ends with in, and the middle is optional between ENGU or UMPK, which is denoted by or symbol here, that is pipe. Then check whether the desired string groups are in the test string by using the test method. So on the test regex, we perform the test method and pass the test string and get the return, in this case, which is true. Task for this example, this tutorial, fix the regex so that it checks for the names of Franklin Roosevelt or Eleanor Roosevelt in a case sensitive manner, and it should make concession of for middle names. So middle names can be there or cannot, may be not be there. Then fix the code so that regex that you have created is checked against my string and either true or false is returned depending on whether the regex matches. So let's create the regex first. In this case, either it will be Franklin or Leonard. In case sensitive manner, so no I, and there can be middle name. So just period asterisk for that, and Roosevelt. A space will be also coming. So let's run the test. Oh, I have not actually written this, change this one. So my regex and test method upon that and pass my string. Run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.